Ya, sekarang aku berada di Atira Village, ya. The waterfall is me. Mr. Sakish, please say something, Mr. Sakish.
About this waterfall.
Yes.
It's one of the smallest waterfalls in Kerala.
Okay.
But it's beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, Mr. Siva. Mr. Siva, Mr. Siva, please say anything, Mr. Siva.
No, you can see, no, you can take it from the side.
Alright. Okay, so, Lasit, you have anything to say? Nothing to say. Okay, so nothing to say. So this what does it look here? It's a jungle area, yeah. You can see this. There's a lot of give here, Azam. Azam, a lot of give here. You want to go? Okay, so jadi inilah keadaan di sini ya. Tak boleh aku saya tak ambil ya, Azam. Azam, we can have a because kita sekarang Azam memang tak ada gambar ke?
You have camera? Then you must take a ticket.
So this, no, I think this no need, sir. No need. Oh, dia nampaknya diorang suruh kita ambil tiket untuk bawa kamera ke dalam ni. I think no need.
Oh, that's all.
Ya. Jadi itulah dia kata tadi kita kena ambil tiket ya. Pasal nak ambil gambar di sini. Tu dia ni pekarangan ya. Keadaan. Kita tengok apa dia baca ni. Ini dia kata berhati-hati di kawasan sini ya. Nampak ni. Ya, tempat ni sangat menarik di sini. Tu dia. Ni Nizam, anything to say Nizam?
Oh, yeah. Very fantastic place.
Very fantastic place. Yeah, that's good. That's right. So kami telah pun selamat tiba di destinasi kami ya. Sekarang ni kan, apa yang patut kami buat adalah
Go faster.
ya. Dia suruh kita jalan pantas sikit ya. Pasal kita perlu melakukan pendakian di sini. Dan kita lihat ya, ramai ada pengunjung di sini. Kawasan-kawasan yang sangat menarik di sini. Itulah. Mr. Sakish dan Mr. Siwa lah yang telah bertanggungjawab membawa kami ke sini. Ya, itu dia. Dan kami mendoakan semoga mereka sejahtera biasa ya.
Yeah.
May God bless him, bless both of him.
It's again, Mr. Siva.
Yeah. Please say something again, Sam.
Yeah?
May God bless both of him.
Bless Mr. Siva and Mr. Sakish.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, same to us.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Same to Mr. Lasit also.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Lasit, I'm sorry, Mr. Lasit.
You can't forget him, Mr. You're doing a big mistake, you know?
$4 saved him.
Yes.
So he's the only one, the second person we know at Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
The first one is Susatika.
Yeah. Dan itulah. Ya, Mr. Lasit. Sekarang saya bersama Mr. Lasit. Apa sih something, Mr. Lasit?
Nice place.
Yes.
So you must see this place.
Yes.
To come into India.
Yes. So, how long you have been in India? Where you go back?
1 week.
1 week.
We have been in India since last 20 years.
Oh, you're 20 years. Yeah, okay. It's a really nice place. Tu dia. Kami dah jauh sebenarnya ya. Mereka telah bergerak ke hadapan di sana. Dan kabarnya Shah Rukh Khan juga pernah datang ke sini, Nizam ya. Yes. Menurut kata Mr. Siva dan Mr. Sakish ya, Amehan dan Shah Rukh Khan pernah bercuti di sini. Di sini dah tempatnya Shah Rukh Khan dan Amehan bercuti ya. Oh, jalan ni sangat bahaya. Ya. Nizam. Nizam. Okay, tak boleh.